Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how to assemble your home gym. So this is what my setup looks like. And so with this setup, let's start off with the centerpiece first, which is the RitFit M1 version 2.0 Power Rack Smith machine setup. So this right here I recently just got a couple months ago, and it is absolutely fantastic. Okay, I'll leave it in the link down below in the description. But it's a dual pulley system. You've got a seated row attachment, you've got a landmine attachment, you've got a pull-up bar up top. You've also got attachments for your barbells and different handheld attachments in the back, and you've also got weight storage plates in the back as well. So this is the centerpiece of my home gym right now. And then the entire setup, which includes my Bowflex adjustable dumbbells, my finer form bench, the pull-up bar I'm going to get rid of eventually. But this entire setup resides in about 8 by 9 foot area, okay? So these are horse stall mats that you see right over here, which I got from Tractor and Supply Company store. But with this setup though, assembling it was a breeze when it came to the adjustable dumbbells already came as is. This right here, the power rack, took me around like 6 hours to assemble by myself. But if you have a friend or family member who can help you assemble it, it's gonna take you like less than 2 hours to assemble this. So with this setup, I'm very happy with it. Make sure you get yourself a decent high quality mat, just because I initially had these mats right over here, but these are really cheap mats. I really like these mats right here. They're heavy, they're high grade, and I don't feel bad when it comes to me putting down my iron weights on these mats as well. But overall, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.